So next up we have a very exciting presentation so from LUMI AI Factory. So very interested to hear more.
Thank you. So I'm Juhani Huttunen and I'm coming from CSC IT Center for Science in Espoo. I'm working as a development manager in LUMI AI Factory Services Business Unit in CSC. And my responsibility areas cover ecosystem development, customer engagement and business management. And in my presentation, I'm going to shortly introduce what is LUMI AI Factory all about, and especially the services there and how this will empower the European AI ecosystem and how that could benefit the health sector. Let's see how it works perfectly. All right, first of all, what are these AI factories? So European Commission launched this kind of ambitious innovation program and AI factories program 2024. And with the primary or key goal to boost European competitiveness and sovereignty in AI, so to be relevant in competition versus China and the USA work here. So AI factories are ecosystems that are formed around AI-optimized supercomputers to foster innovation, competence development and collaboration. So far, Commission has launched 19 AI factories all over European countries and just recently added this with this kind of a smaller so-called AI factory antennas that are linked to these main AI factories. Now, LUMI AI Factory, LUMI AIF, is a consortium of 10 countries coordinated by CSC in Finland. The other partners from Finland are University of Helsinki, Aalto University and AI Finland. And the other countries involved here are Norway, Estonia, Denmark, Czech Republic and Poland. And through this we have now 4 brand new satellite countries to join, which are from Belgium, Iceland, Latvia and Switzerland. And indeed, this LUMI AI Factory is the largest AI factory investment altogether, over 650 million euros. Major part that comes from the new supercomputer. But the mission in any case is to create a comprehensive service infrastructure that empowers companies and academic users to develop innovative AI models and applications. And the aim of LUMI AI Factory is to seamlessly integrate world-class computing, high-value data, and top-tier talent in AI, and to operate in globally competitive scale. So our LUMI AI Factory Services Center has been operational. It started April this year, and so up and running. And we are working with existing LUMI supercomputer. A new supercomputer will come 2027 called LUMI AI, and there will be also quantum computer coming the same year. So that's about the background. And now the AI factories are expected to empower and be involved with various AI ecosystems and industry sectors. And we have selected 3 main sectors in industrial side to be involved with. Those are manufacturing, health and life sciences, so your area, and communication technologies and networks. And if we in particular talk about data, sensitive data is of particular importance in health area. At least it seems to be a very hot topic. We are also involved with the academic side, and especially AI for science. We are interested with large language modeling, digital twins, and material engineering. Not ignoring any other areas, but these are of primary importance. And of course, ease of use and streamlined access is important for all of these sectors and focus areas. So, about services, data access is the priority. And the LUMI AI Factory, goal of LUMI AI Factory, this kind of a environment is to enable and make it easy to access and maintain the data that AI developers are needing in their project. Whatever data it is, their own data or data that is already in this computing environment, or if you need to access to some kind of a data repositories or data spaces nationally or in European wide. So we are willing to enable that as much as possible for you. So LUMI AI factories are expected to, especially on top of this traditional academic support, to focus now more and more on companies to make this kind of also economical impact in the longer run. So consultation with companies, we help and have tools to guide the companies to the right track to find the suitable tools and resources depending on their situation in their business case and on their competence level. Further, we are by nature, or our intention is to be involved directly in those kind of existing networks and ecosystems where the users already are involved with, and go there to talk about our service portfolio and offering. So one example of this is a quite new initiative from September this year, Health Focus Group Finland, that has been kick-offed recently, and there we have reached out number of health companies through AI Finland's company or industry networks to explore what are their challenges when they try to develop the AI models and try to find solutions for their real business cases. And on the other side, together study how these LUMI AI Factory services could help them with this effort. So each company here is bringing a use case that would request high performance computing and or data or some other services that we could maybe help. And this is a unique opportunity to collect feedback on our services, increase awareness, and in practice then help the companies to transfer their bold business ideas to reality. And as a last point here, I'd like to show a real case that actually took place before the LUMI AI Factories was launched, but it's still ongoing, the cooperation with Josta Labs, which is a Finnish health technology company developing machine learning models to improve patient care and medical practice. So they have developed an AI assistant that automates clinical note generation, whether it's textual or audio, and to streamline documentation in healthcare and social care. So what is the challenge is that if they want to create this kind of task-specific or customized language model for European languages, that kind of a model development requires enormous amount of resources, computational and this kind of training data resources. So they have approached us, and actually based on Business Finland, this kind of innovation computing grant, they have been able to use our supercomputer and test new things. And what they managed to do is to improve both the performance and resource efficiency of their models. And on top of that, they are now able to offer an environment-independent alternative to closed large language models. So they have a much better control on the model they are developing at the moment. And through this LUMI supercomputer resource, they have achieved the scalability that is needed to produce the necessary European datasets for training and to actually train the models for multiple European languages. So we are live, and I highly recommend you to get familiar with our service catalog, which is available in our LUMI AI Factory brand new website. And there are services, 13 services already for computing, data, expertise, consultation, training, and so on. And as a last point, these services are available for free of charge to startups, small, medium-sized companies, enterprises, researchers, academic researchers, and public sector. So welcome you to try our services. Thank you.